Well, welcome to another lesson of Minute Science with Landon and Papa. Landon, what kind of experiment do we have today?
Electrolysis.
And what is electrolysis?
Splitting water molecules into hydrogen atoms, into a hydrogen atom and two oxygen atoms.
Oh, that is awesome. Well, cool. And where's that going to happen in your experiment? Can you show it to me?
Here.
Ah, that's the electrolyzer. I see. So if you're going to split atoms or split molecules, how do you do that?
With power
Yeah?
comes great
Go ahead.
responsibility.
Yes, because it sounds like after you capture your molecular hydrogen and oxygen, something's going to happen because I see a candle, which means fire. So what kind of responsibility are we talking about here?
Pop.
Yeah, got to be careful with the pops, don't we? Yeah, okay. Well, let's do this. Go ahead and light the candle. Outstanding. Fire. Okay, well, let's get this electrolyzer working. Go ahead and connect the white alligator clip to your battery source. Is anything happening over here? Oh my
Bubbles.
gosh, bubbles. What's in those bubbles?
Molecular oxygen and molecular hydrogen.
Awesome. Great. How long do we need to let these bubbles go?
2 minutes.
Okay, I've got you on a timer here. We're 1 minute in. Outstanding. So that bottle on top is a trap?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Well, we have 45 seconds left. So you're telling me we're gonna pour hydrogen and oxygen on fire, but not blow up the house?
Yes.
Wow.
It's gonna be like a rocket engine, and it will blow up the roof of the house.
Oh, this is what happens in rocket engines?
Yeah.
Like when I see spaceships take off at Cape Canaveral, they're using hydrogen and oxygen?
Yes, it comes together and it makes fire, and then water clouds blow it.
That sounds like it's a pretty clean way to make smoke. It's just making water. That's awesome. Okay, well, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pour our hydrogen and oxygen on fire. See what happens. Whoa! That was something. Look at all that water in the air. That's not even bad stuff. Or maybe partially is because the candle's involved. Well, Landon, that was another exciting episode of Minute Science. Thank you very much.